your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Very necessary. Fresh ingredients because we don't compromise what goes into our body. Today I am super excited. You know why? We are celebrating 500 subscribers. Oh my God. It's the doing of the Lord and it is so marvelous in our eyes. We couldn't have done this alone. We did this with you because we are a family. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you and keep the subscriptions coming. We are going to 1,000. Today I have a very special person in the house. This, I call him my technical boss. He is the man behind Tasty and Fresh. He does the shooting, the filming, the video editing, the sound, oh my God, everything. And he is a guru in that. Yes, a guru. He is a master chef fan, and today he is taking over my kitchen. I hope you get what I mean. Yes, he's so special to me and I love him so much. And Tasty and Fresh, we really owe him a lot. He is no other person but my kid brother, Divine Mirco. Let's welcome Divine Mirco into the house.
Hello, lovely viewers. Thank you for having me here today. Leave a comment down below helping me to thank my boss lady for having me in the kitchen.
Yeah.
So, my name is Divine Mirco and I'm the technical boss around here, Tasty and Fresh. I run the filming, the video editing, basically all that. So I'm here to prepare one of my favorite meals with you today. So I'd like you to be around and watch the video.
Yes, so today, I am taking a seat to relax whilst he does the cooking and I will be doing the tasting. Then I'll mark him, okay? So if you think he is doing well, kindly leave a comment below, okay? Thank you so much. God bless you. You know what? Tasty and Fresh is so grateful for having you around. You are the man, okay? Alright, so tell us, what do you have?
Okay, let's move to my table.
Sure.
So today we are preparing stir-fried noodles. I have my shrimp. You can see it has been neatly worked on. I have my scallions. I have my ginger and garlic. I have my onions. I have my green chili pepper. I have my green bell pepper. I have my broccoli. And I have my sausages. I also have my olive oil. And I have my noodles. So let's get started. So first and foremost, I boil my noodles and I prep my veggies. Is ready, so I'll just put that in some ice just to maintain the color. I don't want it to lose its green color. You know, that's what makes my food stand out. So to prepare my shrimp, begin by adding some salt, you know, to taste, to bring out the spiciness, and my black pepper, just a little for some taste. Start my oil. I've preheated my oil and I begin by adding my shrimp. My shrimp is smelling so good. I wish you were here. Oh my god. You people should try this. I add my sausages to the shrimp to saute as well. And then I add my garlic and my chili peppers. Oh my god, this smell is so good. You guys should just come and take some, okay? Once again, thank you for 500 subscribers. It means so much to us. And please keep the subscriptions growing. And we love all of you. From Divine Mirco, the technical boss, you know. I add my minced ginger. I saute it a little. On say ginger ne kan ho a na aye spices na bim na aye dan kasa. Then I add my green bell pepper. See, everything of mine is green. I love green a lot. Green vegetables are the best, and I'd like you to try some. So, as you can see, my veggies are sauteing really good. So I add my sausages and my shrimp. Finally, some color. You see, stir-fried noodles with so dibia. One kasana. They are dead. So I add my noodles gradually and I stir them. So, as you can see, we are cooking this French style. Don't worry about the scallions. That will be our last addition, and our noodles will be ready. So I add my scallions, another green veggie. As I told you, I really like greenies. As I told you, I really love greenies. And our stir-fried noodles is ready. Very colorful, green. As I said, you guys should be here. Bed down, kasa. Today, I'm the one taking over the kitchen. And as you can see, I'm really doing a great job. Send a comment below if I'm doing a great job. So we'll put our fire off. Yellow. As you can see, our spicy stir-fried noodles are ready. See? So I'm going to be serving my sister this delicious stir-fried noodles for her to try. Let's go and see what she says.
That's delicious. No wonder he watches MasterChef Junior. Family and friends, you need to come and try this. Thank you so much for joining our technical boss prepare such a delicious lunch. In fact, we are going to enjoy it. So please like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for 500 subs. We are grateful and we are looking forward to 1,000 subs. Bye bye.
I'm falling for you.
Just drops and colors. You're the only one I see. And I take it all.